Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will guide you how you can delete the record from backend by using SQL Server. So actually we are wanted whenever the user will click on delete button or delete text, the data will get removed from the front end and from the backend. In this video, we will create the code for the backend, and next video we will entertain the front end. So each record have a primary key or an ID by which that record is represented in database. Like this record have ID of 1 2 3 4 1002 and so on. So we need to identify which ID is belong to which record and which record we want to delete, and for that we need an ID. So here is the store procedure which we are entertaining, and here let's create as if statement that if the filter is menu location delete, then we want to delete the data. Okay, so let it work. So here menu location delete is the key code by which we will identify which query we want to perform, and we want to perform delete from this where the ID is this. Okay, so it will delete the whole record which is available in the table. First we will execute this, and here we have 2002 top bar. Now delete this, it have ID 2002. Now execute this, and there is no error found. It's mean it's get quietly good and executed. Now select this. Is there 202 available? 2002? No. 2002 record is get deleted. So it's mean we are done with our store procedure. Now what we need to do, this is the just one side of backend. Now we need to make it possible on the C# code which is available in Visual Studio, where we will create the process by which we can delete the record. Go to here in the default controller. What we need to do, we need to send a check from front end side to communicate back end side. Actually we need the primary key or the ID of record which is sent from the front end code, and here we will utilize that. Okay, now actually what we are searching for, we are searching to create a code to delete the record, and how it is possible. In the whole application we are using the model, and the model will entertain us. Now whenever any key is hit, then a model send that key. Like I will create this, replicate this, and it is executing, so let me stop it. And now I will replicate the whole action and rename it as delete. Okay, if action is open, then execute the query. The store procedure is this, and change the filter. So here we have the filter, here is the filter, and here we have bind the ID. Remember that whenever we are performing create and delete process, we don't want to receive the data, and for that we will return only JSON having text as done. So here is the action listener to delete the specific record. Here is the ID which we are sending, which is come from the front end and delivered to this action listener, and it will send the data to store procedure where the specific record is get deleted. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel to get more updates on ASP.NET development. Take care, bye bye, have fun.